Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to consider conditional jumps in 8086 microprocessor. Conditional jumps are related to unconditional jump, as we have already studied in the last tutorial about JMP instruction. So here the keyword is basically JCC. CC stand for conditions, right? It could be anything like JNZ or simple JZ, JC, JNC, JBE, JBA, JG, JL, GG for greater than, for larger than, for not zero, for zero. So there can be any condition, and these are depends upon the flag register which is available in 8086 microprocessor. We're gonna see in a while some example, so you will understand how these conditions works, right? Furthermore, so what is difference between the jump and the unconditional jump? This conditional jump will check that condition. If that condition is true, then it will switch to the label. Otherwise, it won't switch to the label. Rather, it will switch simply towards the next instruction. So this is going to happen in conditional jump statements, right? So let's see. Let's take an example program so that we can understand this instruction. Okay, I'm going to take this program as an example program. So what I'm doing in this program, I'm moving 1 2 3 4 hacks in AX and BX, and then I'm comparing these two values using exclusive OR command. You know that exclusive OR command compares the value. If they are same, the result will be 0, and if they are not same, result will not be 0, right? So 1 2 3 4 hacks and 1 2 3 4 hacks, they are actually same values, and they are stored in AX and BX register, and we are comparing AX comma BX. So what is going to happen? They all will be exclusive OR, and then we will have a result 0. Then what we are doing, we are using a conditional jump JZ. JZ is a jump if 0. 0 means if 0 flag is high, right? If JNZ is written, that means 0 flag is 0. So here what we are testing is 0 flag is high or not. If 0 flag is high, then we have to jump to this ABC label, right? Otherwise we won't jump, right? So what I'm doing, 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 both are same value, so it should jump to the ABC. And in ABC, what is going to happen? 1 2 3 4 is moved in DX register, right? So if these two values are same, so 1 2 3 4 will be moved in DX register. And if these two values AX and BX values are not same, so this JZ instruction won't work, right? Because 0 flag won't be high, because all the result is not 0, right? So we're gonna see the both results. Let's emulate this code, and I'm gonna run this complete code, right? You know that 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, these will be loaded and they will be eventually same. So 0 flag will be high when exclusive OR operation will be performed between AX register and BX register. So this ABC, this instruction should be jumping to ABC level, and 1 2 3 4 will be loaded in DX register. Let's see, is it going to work or not. So, and remember, this CX comma 1 2 3 4 won't work, so CX won't have any value. So let's run this code, and we can see that it is run. So DX value is basically what 1 2 3 4. And remember, exclusive OR operation was performed and AX was destination operand. So AX is basically what you can see that it is a complete 0. That is why 0 flag was high, and 0 flag forced to jump to the label ABC, in which 1 2 3 4 was moved in DX register. Let's change this code a bit and change over here. So now we have a different values in AX and BX. So this 0 flag won't be high, and exclusive OR operation won't result in 0. So that means we won't switch to the ABC level. Rather, this CX comma 1 2 3 4 will be removed, will be run, right? So let's run this code. Okay, let me clear it, and now I'm gonna emulate it again. Let's run it. Now you can see that AX is not completely 0, because there it was a bit different result in both AX and BX. So exclusive OR won't result in zeros, and 0 flag was not set. That means this conditional jump didn't work, and basically we have to execute move CX comma 1 2 3 4, and program is halted. So that means uh, uh, conditional jump failed, and it did not jump to the label. So this is how this conditional jump instruction works. There can be many jump instructions like J and Z. That will jump. Let me explain. J and Z, right? J and Z will jump if zero flag is equals to zero, right? Okay. There is a JC. It will jump if C is equals to or carry flag is equals to one. There can be J and C if zero flag, sorry, carry flag is equals to zero. And similarly, there are some condition like JG, jump if greater than, that means first operand is greater than the last operand, right? Or jump if below, if first operand is below than second operand, and that we gonna see in next tutorials when we will see compare statement as well, right? So there can be various conditional jump statements in 8086 microprocessor. There is a separate tutorial available which is about 16 minutes, which is available on the same channel. I will provide the link in the end screen. If you want, if you are interested, you can go and watch it. Otherwise, this simple tutorial is enough to understand the simple conditional jump statement, right? So still, if you have any confusion or queries, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.